Hello guys, so this is the piano tutorial of GCSE by Nathaniel Bassey. Okay, so it was done in the key of C sharp, but I'll be playing the key of F. If today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, so we are looking at the intro they did. We are looking at basically everything about this song, the verse, the chorus, everything. Okay, so what is that? Okay, so basically I'm doing this, the do mi to. Okay, do mi to on the left, right hand is doing the re mi la and fa. So like this. Then the next chord that I'm doing, that I played here, is the do in E flats, then the do in C sharp. All right. So basically that's what I did. Then I resolved back to where I started. Okay, then I started this. Alright, so kindly slow the video down if you don't get anything. Okay, so alright, so one more time. Okay, so let's check the right hand side. Then basically I'll do the then here they did this particular movement. Okay, so here what is that? The right hand and the left hand are doing basically different things. So let's concentrate on the right. The right is doing the do, ti, la, ti, do, re. Then the left hand will do fa, sol, la, so. Okay, fa, sol, la, so. Okay. So from here you will enter straight to the verse. Si, do, then fa, do. Fa la so, okay, fa la so. In your presence within me, what was impossible, you made possible. Jesus, see. Then you play the punch. Then we'll go to the other verse, which is I almost gave up. The same, the fa la so. Alright, mi, fa, then sol, la, 7, 1. Okay, so that part, I almost gave up, no. Then fa, la, so, then mi, fa. Then solar, alright, then 7 to the 1. Okay, so basically that's what there is to this particular song. I'll see you in another video. Bye.